Hi, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find my Zoom recordings. So, actually, that's so simple and easy to be done. So, let's consider that you are using the tool of recording on Zoom app. This app when you got into a Zoom meeting, you can use an option to record the meeting. So where we can find the meeting that we already recorded. So what I want you to do is to click on that icon and then go into settings, then go into profile and into edit my profile. Okay, so that's the first step to get throughout your Zoom account, or you can just go into zoom.us and then sign in to the account. For me, I already signed in, so I just need to click on my account and then go into this icon on the top right corner and click on your profile. So here you can scroll down into recordings on the left side, recording, and then here you can find your cloud recordings and the recordings that someone's shared with you, and also the computer recordings. Anyways, if you are looking for the old recordings that you have made, or the old meetings and you didn't record them, you can go into meeting and then previous, and here you can install the recordings that you can install the record of the meetings that you want to rewatch them. Anyways, guys, that's the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your beloved ones. And thank you so much for watching. See you next video.